Hi everyone,
I'm Estefany.
and I'm Savannah,
And today we're on our way to the river.
and we'll keep you guys updated.
We made it to the works on the river, and let's go!
Good morning. Hi, I'm Brandy Christian, the president of Port of New Orleans.
Can you just give us a quick insight on what this event is about?
Certainly. This event today is to welcome high schoolers from the area to introduce them to jobs along the river. So we have different companies and organizations that work here on the Mississippi River, everything from the Army Corps, from cargo companies, people that work on ships, from engineering companies, really to introduce high school students to the many careers that they can explore here on the Mississippi River.
Hi guys, so we're back, and Estefany thought it was a good idea for me to try to do this maritime throwdown. Basically, I have to take this big rope and try and throw it on this hook. I don't know if I could do it, but we're gonna find out. At least I have some. It was keep off, so that's good enough for me. I think it's a Estefany turn, so let's try Estefany. We should not do anything dealing with maritime and throwing anything, because apparently we're very bad at it, as you saw. So we'll catch y'all at the next activity.
Well, keep the hold, because when you come back around, you're going to slide that last one through this one.
Oh, okay.
So 1 over 2, 2 over 3, there you go, 3 over 4,
Oh, yes, Estefany.
4 over 5, 5 over 6, slide that 6 one in.
So, welcome back to Crime Stoppers. All right, I'm Savannah Reese, and I'm with the police. You ever in trouble? You ever in danger? Just call me. Hi guys. This is the end of our little segment today. The trip is coming to an end, but overall, the event was amazing, and I
We
loved
learned
everything.
so much.
We did. I hope y'all enjoyed. But back to school we go.